Okay, COVID came at a time of opportunity for me actually because I was working as I told. So
Yeah.
during COVID time, we started work from home, so I would get more time to study. And even
Okay.
if the peak was going on, and we would go for our office like 2 or 3 days a week on alternate days. So that also meant more time for me to study. It came like an opportunistic thing for me, and I took it as an opportunity because if I would have thought that, oh my God, it's COVID, what am I going to do now? Then things would have fallen the other way around. But I took it as an opportunity. Ki now I'll get more time to study. Obviously, there was this fear that I might get infected because I was constantly going out. In fact, my mom got infected in the second wave. But yeah, things work out. You just have to be
You
there.
still
You have to
kept
stand
going.
strong, and things would work out.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to. You have to make your own way.
Yeah, like we must have such a mindset, well prepared beforehand.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, like Ritu, there were almost 15 to 20 lakh students who gave NEET examinations. And of course, everyone must have prepared well. But what did you do differently, which resulted in your success?
As talked earlier, I was consistent.
Yeah.
Uh, not and I never counted my hours of study because it was not possible for me to study 10 to 12 hours with my job going on. So what I did was I used to make a schedule for myself every day, like every night or every morning for of that day. I would make my schedule that these are the things that I want to do. If there's a lecture that I have to see, I have to do that. And if there's a DPPA to solve, if there's a PYQ to do, if there's a test that I have to do, and I would plan it already, and I would do it in my day. And at night, I would just tick off all those things. So it was like a big chunk that you're doing every day that really keeps you going to write your schedule on a piece of paper. And when you check all this, I still do it in my MBBS. That if you check all those things, you feel that great, feeling of achievement that okay, I have done this much, and
Yeah.
yes, I'm going on the right path. And secondly, I would say that positive way of thinking, and I never skipped my test. That is the most important thing that I do. uh,
Okay.
I've seen I've seen students running away from their tests and thinking that they'll study and revise more. But I think if you're not giving tests, then you're actually not in the game because
Okay.
then only you'll know your real position and your real knowledge will be tested there. So don't skip your test. Study consistently and have a positive mind. That I'll say.
Like just solving or just revising what we did, it's of no use. We have to apply it and we
Mhm.
have to check on our score, our progress.
Yes, yes, sure. We have to see that how much we are understanding.